In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide page title in OneNote. This is a simple yet effective way to create a cleaner, more focused workspace, especially when you want your notes to look more polished or distraction-free. When you open a page in OneNote, you'll usually see a large title area at the top. This section includes the page title along with the date and time information. While this can be useful for organizing your notes, there are times when it can take up unnecessary space or get in the way, particularly when you're creating templates, sharing content, or capturing screenshots. To remove this from your view, start by making sure your desired OneNote page is open. Once you're on the correct page, move your attention to the ribbon at the top of the screen and click on the View tab. This is where you'll find several options related to how your page is displayed. Within the View tab, look for the Page Setup section. Inside this group, you'll find an option labeled Hide Page Title. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you do, the title area at the top of your page will disappear, including the date and time. You'll notice that your content immediately shifts upward, giving you more usable space and a much cleaner layout. Even though the title is no longer visible on the page itself, your notebook structure remains unchanged. The page name still appears in the navigation pane, so you won't lose track of where your notes are. This means you're not deleting or renaming anything, you're simply hiding the visual header from the page. Another helpful detail is that your content remains fully searchable. Hiding the title does not affect OneNote's ability to find your notes through search. In addition, if you decide to print or export your page, the hidden title area will not appear, which can make your output look more refined and professional. If you ever want to bring the title back, simply return to the View tab and click the same option again. It works like a toggle, allowing you to switch between showing and hiding the title whenever you need. If the option isn't visible, make sure you're using the desktop version of OneNote and that you're currently viewing the correct tab. Also, try clicking directly on the page to ensure it is active. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to hide the page title in OneNote. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.